are different and copper plate inscriptions are different. Now we may proceed to discuss the estampage taking of stone inscriptions at first. For taking estampage of stone inscriptions, several tools and materials are required. The tools used for copying stone inscriptions are many. They are a map litho paper of 80 GSM thickness for taking estampage, a specially prepared ink made by mixing together lamp black powder and Arabic gum, waterproof drawing ink and water, a bent breathing brush made up of horsehair for pressing the paper into the writings engraved on the stone, a dabber made of leather in different sizes for applying ink onto the paper, a wire brush and also coir brush for cleaning the stone if dust is there, a sponge with a smooth rubber for cleaning the dust of the stone, one bucket of water for its purpose. These are the essential and required tools and materials for copying the inscriptions are concerned. Now we may proceed the process of estampage taking of stone inscriptions. Before copying, the stone on which the inscription is engraved is photographed and examined properly to identify the written and unwritten areas. After identifying it, then the stone is cleaned properly with water using coir brush so that all the dust and soil particles are removed. After cleaning, the stone has to be washed carefully with clean water. Then the map litho paper is dipped completely into a bucket of water and placed on the wet stone carefully and uniformly without any foldings and bubbles. While placing the paper, care should be taken that no air goes underneath it. After that, with the help of bent beating brush, the paper is beaten uniformly. After finishing the benting, then with the help of the dabber, the ink is applied uniformly on the paper in a systematic way so that it receives the exact copy of the inscription engraved on the stone. Have a look at the copying of the full stone inscription. After taking estampage, it has to be carefully removed by folding slowly from top to bottom and placed to dry in a shade. After the estampage is dry, the fine spot of the inscription has to be written on its back side. This is the process of estampaging of stone inscriptions. For better understanding, have a look at the video of the entire process of the estampaging taking of stone inscriptions.